Vanya, Learnt, learn, Cat. Vanya learned that leave one line,
Observe two things.
leave one line, leave one finger gap, point one. Leave one line, leave one line, leave one thumb finger gap, point one. Next, again leave one line, capital O and E. One, O and E. One up, inverted comma, see, up. One, should. Should. One should. B-E-B. One should be. T-R-U-T-H. Truth. Yes, you, and. Full. Stop, dotted, full stop, and inverted comma completed. Don't forget to put these two. Come on.
సరే నువ్వు వాళ్ళ కోసం ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు కదా నువ్వు సొత్తుగా పెట్టద్దు నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపో నన్ను ఎంత కాపాడావు చక్రి నన్ను అక్కడే చావనివ్వాల్సిందే
Next, leave one line. Thumb finger gap. One. Down. Two.
ఒకసారి నిశ్చితార్థం
Circle. Capital head. Again one finger gap, Nana. Capital head. O N E S T Y. This is H-O-N-E-S-Y. Honesty. Correct? But you should not read honesty. It's honesty. H will be silent. Okay, honesty. Inverted comma, start. Dark dot up. Dark dot up. Okay. Completed. Honesty. Dot dotted I S is
ఇప్పుడే థంబ్ పుట్ చేసుకోండి.
finger gap. TH is the
ముందు ఈ
B E S T. Next. P O L I C Y. Policy. Dot dot down. Inverted comma. Completed.
ఇంకోసారి భద్రి జోలికి వస్తే నువ్వు నా
Okay.
విషయం కూడా పూర్తిగా మర్చిపోవాల్సి
And put dot dotted full stop. I forget. Sorry.
పెట్టే ఫోన్
So with this, we completed 7 question and answers.
C5 ఇప్పుడే థంబ్ పుట్ చేసుకోండి.
Okay. Now come to the fresh page, learner. All of you come to the fresh page.
నాకు ఈ పెళ్లి జరగకుండా నువ్వే ఏదో ఒకటి చేసి ఆపాలి
Leave 3 finger gap.
ఈ పెళ్లి ఆపగలవన్న నమ్మకం
From the margin, leave 3 finger gap. Put heading R, head, Y, M, dot dotted I, N, G. Rhyming,
ఇప్పుడే థంబ్
finger gap, W, O, R, T, S. Word,
కానీ ఒకసారి
rhyming word.
బిల్డింగ్ సెంటర్ పాయింట్.
Come on.
పువ్వులు నీకోసమే.
I think everyone
చీకటి పడిందని
they completed question 7.
రేపు గుడికి వెళ్ళు. నీ ప్రశ్నకు సమాధానం దొరకదు.
Isn't it?
నువ్వు ఒకరికి సమాధానం కాబోతు.
Come.
C5 యాప్ ఇప్పుడే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.
Question will be learned, so answer will be in the past tense learned. Learned is correct, ma? Rhyming word. Put heading. Leave one line. 1. CLOW and cloud. CLOW and cloud. Two finger gap. Dash. From the dash. Two finger gap. From. FROWN. Okay. C down. Again leave one line. 2. C down C. C down C. PLANT plant. PLANT plant. Hyphen down hyphen. F down yes. F down S. SLANT plant. Leave a line. 3. T down C. T down C. CLANS plant. Hyphen down hyphen. S down G. GLASS gap. Leave a line. 4th one. C down C. CLOT plot. Hyphen down hyphen. G down S. SLOT plot. Look at here. This will be in the same line. The first letter will be in the same line. It looks like very neat, isn't it? So with this we completed class work. This is about term 3, lesson 1. Now, make it fast and all of you get ready. I am going you to show the full lesson 7 question and answers. I will display you now. So those who want to take screenshot, please take. Complete it fast, Nana. I want to erase and I want to show the display. I will display you the all question and answers. And in the rhyming words, you do one thing. In your practice book at home, clown, prawn, you write 3 more words like that. Brown, missing. Plant, plant, gland. Okay. Glass, glass, glass. Like that, 3-4 words you write and show. Plot, plot, lot, a lot. Okay. Come on. You try. 3 more you try, ma. This is first lesson only. I am giving you the first lesson notes only. 31st to 6th dates are question and answers only. I am saying now that what you are asking and saying now. Whatever you ask, that is from 1st to 7th question and answers and rhyming words. Did you complete, ma? Shall I display? This is third term. Lesson 1 I am showing you. Third term. See, this is term 3. Lesson 1. Term 3. Lesson 1. If any mistake, you correct it. Already you completed your class work, means once you correct the spelling from the screen. If not, if you missed anything, take screenshot. This is term 3. Please don't ask it. We can't repeat again and again. Now I will give you lot of time to take screenshot. This is term 3. Lesson 1. The plum stone. Question and answer. What did Vanya's mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, do after washing the plum? Question mark. Now, it's not visible here, but you take screenshot. But you put question mark, Nana. What did Vanya's mother do after washing the plum? Answer. After washing the plum, Vanya's mother left them on a big plate on the dining table to give the children after dinner. Got it, full stop. That is about first answer. Everyone, any doubt about first question? What did Vanya do before eating the plum? Question mark. Vanya sniffed the fruit, wrinkled his nose at the pleasing smell and decided that he liked the fruit. Got it, full stop. Dear parents, I think you completed.
అమ్మ
So, second question completed.
శృతి, నీ అనుమానానికి ఒక హద్దు ఉండాలి. మా అమ్మని అనుమానిస్తావా? తప్పే ఉంది. అన్ని గదులు చెక్ చేయాలనేగా చెప్పాను.
Take screenshot. Second question.
ఏమీ అనుకోకండి రాధమ్మ గారు. మీరు చేయు. అందరికీ ఒకే న్యాయం చూపించాలని.
Third one. Why was Vanya scared? Question mark. Vanya was scared because he lied to his parents that he did not eat the plum. Dot full stop. Take screenshot of question 3. I'm giving you lot of time, ma. Please don't ask me again to show. This is lesson 1, term 3. Next question 4. How did Vanya's father bring out the truth? Question mark. Answer. Vanya's father brought out the truth. See, in the question it will be bring the present first. The answer will be always in the English past tense we have to learn. Now you ask to learn. See here, same. Bring, brought. Vanya's father brought out the truth by saying plums have small stones and if we swallow, Nana, SWALLOW, swallow the stone, we will grow corn. That is swallow. That is swallow. Those who completed, you check once again. If anyone missed, take screenshot. One more time we can't. Very soon you have to come to school. At that time you have to submit this. So please make it sure that everyone must complete every subject. That's what I'm giving you lot of time to take screenshot and to correct your book. Next, 5th question. Why did the entire family burst into peals of laughter? The entire family burst into peals of laughter because out of fear, come on, take screenshot. The entire family burst into peals of laughter because out of fear, Vanya said that he had not eaten the stone but had thrown it out of the window. Dotted full stop. This is about question 5. Come on, those who did not complete it. If not, take screenshot. If you completed, check your book. Check the spellings again. And again, please don't ask. This is term 3, lesson 1. Okay. Come to question 6. Why did Vanya feel guilty and ashamed? Question mark. Vanya felt guilty and ashamed because he had taken a plum without asking his mother. Take screenshot. Remaining we will see. Vanya felt guilty and ashamed because he had taken a plum with out. You give finger gap Nana with out. Already you wrote once you check. Asking his mother and the entire family came to know that he had lied. He is there here.
Excuse me? That is great.
బంధువులు వచ్చారు.
శృతి,
వచ్చా?
Okay, last question. Seventh one. What lesson did Vanya learn?
చెప్పినాగా నాకు పలుకుబడి ఉండాలని ఎవరిని చెప్పినా వస్తానే ఉంటా.
Here I did not leave the line. Already how you wrote it correct, Nana. This one is also correct for yourself to understand. I said you to leave the line. Okay, don't think that it must be like the same. See, I wrote on it there on the board.
నా 7 వారాల నగలు ఈ రాత
Vanya learned that one should be truthful.
ఆవిడ బ్యాగ్లోనే దొరికింది.
Honesty is the best policy. No need to see the screen. On the screen display board, you can see the board. You can see it on the board. Seventh answer and
భలే దొరికావు.
rhyming word.
That is great. ఇద్దరు చేయలేదు.
At last, rhyming word. This is today's class only.
ఇది శృతి పనే. అప్పుడు ముగ్గురిని తీసుకెళ్ళొచ్చు.
Seventh answer, you see from the blackboard.
మనసులో పెట్టుకొని రివెంజ్ తీర్చుకోవాలని చూడకండి సార్.
నేను
With this, we completed.
శృతికి సంబంధం లేదు.
Shall I stop?
మరి ఎవరికి ఉండాలి?
చెబుతున్నానుగా.
Shall I stop sharing?
సరే కానిస్టేబుల్స్
This is about
ఉడికించండి.
term 3.
ఇక్కడ ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారో ఎంక్వైరీలో తెలుసుకుందాం.
See, Nana, here it's clear the seventh answer. Write the question, leave one line, write Vanya learned that, leave one line, and one should be truthful at the inverted commas. Honesty is the best policy also inverted commas. It's the quotation, so you have to put the inverted commas. Same, both are same. With this, we completed term 3, lesson 1. And tomorrow, all of you get ready with your term textbook. So tomorrow, I will say you the grammar from the textbook. Okay. Sorry, children, I can't time up. And more than given time, I showed you for every answer for 2-3 minutes. I kept in the display. So tomorrow, all of you, your homework is learn question. Yesterday question 2 I said kada 3. Learn question 3. This is about today's English class. With this we completed term 3 lesson 1 class work. So all of you get ready with your term book. Tomorrow I am going to say the grammar from the lesson 1 in the textbook. Okay. See you. Bye. Have a nice day. And get ready with your math book.
నన్ను ఆపిన అక్షర ఆగదు మావయ్య గారు. మీరు ఎన్ని చేసినా ఇప్పుడు అందుబాటులో వేయకపోతే ఇంకా ఎన్నెన్నో చేస్తుంది. ఏం చేయాలన్న ధీమా పెరిగిపోతుంది. ఇక ఇంటిని అల్లకల్లోలం చేస్తుంది. కోరుకునే మంచిగా చెప్తూ